Professor of RVing here to talk to you about these teardrop trailers. They are very comfortable. They pack a lot into a small space. Now these trailers are small and lightweight so they can be pulled by a smaller vehicle. They're very nice, they're easy to set up. They're easier to set up than, say, a pop-up trailer. However, a pop-up trailer will have more room inside. But all the essentials are there. You know, you've got your bed, your galley, a little bit of storage space, and it frees you up to go and experience the great outdoors. These trailers are very convenient to store once you're finished camping and you bring it home. So consider these when you're looking at RVs. They're practically maintenance free. Now whether you are a teardrop trailer, a pop-up trailer, or like some people, the owner of a pre-boast, it's a big bus. Either way, people that enjoy RVing are getting out into the great outdoors and having a good time. I'm Jim Twamley, Professor of RVing, Doctor of RVology, and Rhodes Scholar. Until next time, thank you for watching.